What's going on, guys? Guess where we're going today? Again, we are going to Clark International Speedway. We're going to CIS. Why? Because we just put in new brake pads and new brake rotors for the M2, and we'll be accompanying Luis in his quest to get a better PR with this Yaris. What else? What else can I say? What's up? We're going to Clark. Let's go, baby! What up? Warm up. We just took that around 90. So here we are at Clark, and we're prepping the M2. Well, we did a few laps. Not really hot lap. Just warming up everything. And so far, I feel like we don't have any more tires. And like the stock tires, I think are done for. It's already heat cycled from the last race. Luis is going around right now. He's going around testing out the Yaris, warming everything up. I don't know. We probably won't be able to get a personal best today, but it's fine. Just focus on the driving. Let's go.
So the day kind of started off a little bit weird with some gremlins with the Yaris in terms of boost leak and oil press problems, but Luis was able to beat his personal best of 2:06 with a new lap time of 2:04, and now it's our turn. Let's go.
What up, Ka?
I can see it.
2:06. What up, baby?
Yay!
206? Wow! Pero alam ko si Pao nag-flat na dyan.
Ulul, gog. So, we just finished our first session. I thought our tires were gone, but maybe I was just a little at first. But we were able to time 2:06. But the problem was the stock pads were already chipping off. It was already broken. There was so much material from the brake pads that were chipping off already when we last checked it. So we had no choice but to change the rotors and the pads. Although, one of my initial insights about this new brake setup is that I feel like I'm locking the front tires. I don't know if it's the tires, maybe it's the tires because it's already heat cycled, maybe. But I'm pretty happy with what we were able to get right now. 2:06. Pretty scary lap, to be honest, because in the last turn, right before turn in, it snapped on me. I was like, oh my god, I don't want my M2 to disappear early. Let's go, baby.
Yep.
You just need to tap the brake to slow down just enough.
Yeah, to turn it in, not really to rotate.
Yeah, I don't need the rotation. The extra rotation, I got scared. Oh.
Pero when you got back on the gas, it was okay.
Okay na, yeah. Medyo, I was like, sige na. I didn't know parang shit.
Yeah.
Is this a good risk or not?
Yeah.
Pero kasi I saw it, it was green.
You don't tap, you tap the brake before you corner. Not during.
Hindi. Pagka-tap ko, medyo, shit. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Stop suspension, bro. Trust the damping.
Yeah.
Trust the damping.
Trust the damping.
Trust the traction control dito.
Yeah, I went with 4. Pero,
4? May number yan?
yeah, 1 to 10. Like the Porsche na.
I have exactly 0 traction control. Well, I don't need it. It still
Pero,
feels bro, I don't need traction control. It still feels more like a front wheel.
Hindi.
Palabas ng corner, I feel like it's a front wheel. Hinihila yung harap.
Pero I feel like traction control is slowing me down.
Oh. I don't have enough power to squat yet, but I feel like when the car's on high boost,
It will squat.
kasi yung high boost setting, it's not just peak power, it's all the way eh. So kanina, the corners, I'm on low boost, I have to take it at second gear so I have some push out.
Yeah.
Pag high boost, talaga third gear, pag 4 mo, you hear the turbo
Spooling.
Yeah.
How about braking? There's a lot of dive right now.
Braking, yes, malakas yung tide.
Okay.
I think that's why also yung oil talaga open.
So pakakaya natin. Okay. I think
I will just play along with this, yes. And they said yung challenge driver, pag naka-slicks, never touch the burn. Kahit yung challenge car, kahit mainit, iniiwasan niya lahat.
Why?
Yeah. Our brims are ugly daw eh. Yung parang mataas eh, yung sa chicane. So, ano talaga eh.
Pero,
It hurts the car.
sa akin parang okay eh.
Depends, per car.
Yeah,
You
parang
have
okay.
a soft suspension and long travel, so I think it absorbs it better.
it gives the proper rotation.
Yeah.
Mas maganda. It feels weird. Kasi it feels like I'm locking up so much quicker now. Well, before nung naka-OEM pads ako, it wasn't locking up.
It's locking up kasi malakas na yung pads mo eh. So,
Yeah.
but your brakes are only as good as your tires. So
Yeah.
even if you have the best brakes here, you can't use it
Yeah.
fully because of the stock tires. Kaya ngayon, when you're stepping on the brake, kahit it's lighter than the full force ng stock,
Yeah.
mas malakas yung kagat niya, kaya yung ABS mas maaga nag-engage kasi the tire can't keep up with the braking strength. Kaya yung feeling na gano'n,
Yeah.
parang it's vibrating eh.
Yeah.
It's not your
it felt
traction.
like it was
no.
vibrating eh.
Pero you have to watch out kasi ngayon na you're on stock tires, you have to take care of the rotors. Otherwise, if you warp it this early, when you
Sayang.
put on your new tires,
Sayang.
sayang na yung rotors mo, it's not as good as it should be.
You're gonna be running relatively low initial tire pressure. So yung outlap mo, please warm it up to pa. Hindi naman to pa. Warm up the tires near outlap para tumaas yung pressure bago mo pa.
No.
Vlog. Say hi.
Hi.
Reaction.
Tires can't handle it anymore. It's the last push of the tires. Oh. So yeah, here we were able to do another 206.73, 0.10 of a second. We can't push anymore. I think that's enough for the tires. I don't think we can lower the PSI anymore also. It's really heat cycled. That's the best we can push now with these stock tires. We have to change that. So probably the next track day will be next month. Let's see. But super happy today. We ended today's track day very early, 9:30 a.m. That's it. We're done. 206. Pretty good. Just with brake pads, new brake pads, new rotors, old tires, heat cycle tires. Yeah, pretty good for today. Super tired, but very satisfied. Let's go, baby.